guys, welcome to my YouTube channel back. This is the second part of my TCL Agro and Dairy farm. The last time I showed you that there is a cow shed here. There's also another cow shed here. You can see there's a baby cow shed. Let's go inside. Wow, what a cute little cow. That cow on the cage was born yesterday night. It is newborn. If we open these doors, all the cows will run to their mothers automatically. They kept the mother in other sheds, as separate sheds, because they are milking dairy cows. They give milk, so that's why. Sheds are empty. There's a pool here. It's about 6 to 7 feet depth. The pool is for bathing. So guys, if you like my video, then please like, subscribe, share and comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.